Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off low data mode on iPhone. If your internet feels slow or downloads are not working properly, low data mode is often the reason. So, open up settings on your mobile device. Then inside here, simply tap on cellular. Now tap on cellular data option and make sure you tap on data mode. Now ensure this is set to allow more data on 5G or standard. This ensures your iPhone isn't limiting data usage on mobile network. Now head back to main setting page, tap on Wi-Fi, and just like that, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, tap on the eye icon right over here to get the information. Scroll below and here you will be able to find a low data mode. Make sure this is turned off. Once this is disabled for both mobile data and Wi-Fi, your iPhone should no longer restrict internet usage. That's how you turn low data mode on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.